So hello and welcome back to the conclusion of our Making a State Machine series. Today what you're going to see is that my students were able to follow along and actually create a state machine that has 3 states. Random wander, which is the green light, means no obstacles and no light to track. Then we have light tracking, which is the blue LED, which means it's going to track a cell phone flashlight. And then state 3, which is obstacle avoidance, which means when the sonar is triggered from anything in front of it, it's going to back up and turn away. And that's the red LED. Please watch and enjoy.